In this session, let us learn about SciPy optimizers. Optimizers in SciPy. Optimizers are a set of procedures defined in SciPy that either find the minimum value of a function or the root of an equation. Optimizing functions. Essentially, all of algorithms in machine learning are nothing more than a complex equation that needs to be minimized with the help of a given data. Roots of an equation. NumPy is capable of finding roots of polynomials and linear equations, but it cannot find roots for non-linear equations like this one, x plus cos x. For that, you can use SciPy's optimize.root function. This function takes two required arguments. Fun, a function representing an equation, x closed brackets an initial guess for the root. The function returns an object with information regarding the solution. The actual solution is given under attributes x of the returned objects. Find the root of equations x plus cos x. See, by executing this code using my root is equal root equivalent 0, the result returns this minus 0 7 3 9 0 8 5 1 3. The return object has much more information about the solution. See example, print all information about the solution, not just x with is the root. See, by using this code, the result returns this. A function in the context represents a curve, curves high points and low points. High points are called maxima, low points are called minima. The highest point in the whole curve is called global maxima, whereas the rest of them are called local maxima. The lowest point in the whole curve is called global minima, whereas the rest of them are called local minima. Finding minima. We can use SciPy.optimize.minimize function to minimize the function. The minimize function takes the following arguments. Fun, a function representing an equation, x closed brackets an initial guess for the root. Method, name of the method to use legal value. CG, BFGS, Newton CG, L, BFGS, B, TNC, Gopie, Ella, SLC, QP. Callback function called after each iteration of optimization. Options, a dictionary defining extra params. See the code. Disp Boolean print detailed description. GTOL, number the tolerance of the error. See example, minimize the function x inverse plus x plus 2 with BFGS. From SciPy optimize import minimize. See, by executing this code, the result returns this success true. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3 SciPy optimizers. In next video, let us learn about another topic, SciPy space data. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.